a trusted name in commercial cleaning supplies. Crystal White faced an uphill battle for online visibility until our SEO team swept in with a powerful strategy. Established in 1989, Crystal White Cleaning Supplies and Paper Products has become a key supplier of a comprehensive range of commercial supplies and equipment. Their catalog boasts over 250 products, from detergents and paper goods, specialized cleaning chemicals, and equipment. Their challenges: poor search engine rankings, low organic website traffic, over-reliance on paid traffic sources, high website bounce rate, low visitor engagement with content, decrease in online sales, and difficulty attracting and retaining customers. And here's our approach. We implemented a comprehensive SEO strategy, conducted a thorough website audit, revamped content, optimized on-page elements, and employed off-page tactics. The impact: bounce rate reduced by 71.58%, top 3 rankings for 62 plus keywords, online sales increased by 150%, and organic traffic increased by 121%. If you'd like to be our next big brand success story, book a free strategy call and see you on the other side.